this is one Kala Dhaga is from each Jyotirling that I've gone to. So there's Kedarnath, Somnath, Rameshwaram. There's also one of Badrinath, even though that's not considered Jyotirling. So I have one from each.
This is Kashi Vishwanath, which
yeah.
your last one is also Kashi
My
Vishwanath.
last one
which
is
we
also
went
Kashi Vishwanath.
recently. Yeah.
So I'm on my 11th Jyotirling now. I just have Nageshwar left, which I hope to complete this year. But it's Shivji. I love my Shivji. He's been there for me. So.
But how did this inclination towards spirituality came from?
So ever since we were young, my mom put me and my brother into these classes, which happened every Sunday. It was called Ramayan classes, and all my friends used to come. Like we all, Sarah, everyone. We all used to sit together, and we would every Sunday just for 1 hour, and she would tell us stories about the Mahabharata or the Ramayana, and about Krishna ji and about Brahma ji and Vishnu ji, and then she would teach us a few shlokas and bhajans, and so we like the Hanuman Chalisa I know. So I know most of these bhajans and all. So and I've been saying it since I was a child. So I think more than the love for the God is just my gratefulness for everything that they've given me. So I go to these places to not ask for anything, but to just be grateful and say thank you. So my last one is left, and I'm waiting for that one.
But are you both like old school lovers or Gen Z, like
In the
situationships
film?
and all this? No, in real life.
In real life,
I think,
that you should ask him. Who?
What? Who?
What? Who? What is this? Who?
Let's ask you.
Please ask. I'll openly answer
no,
that.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I think.
Batao.
I think हमारा bond throughout shoot was very special.
Yeah. He's
I
been
was,
like
I feel
there
like she
for
was
me.
always there for me whenever I needed
Aw.
her. And
Oh, but actually in real life, how are you like in terms of when you fall in love? Do you believe
I
in
don't
like
have
old
fallen
school
in love
love?
yet, so I don't know.
Oh.
I had crushes when I was in school and stuff, which was about a year and a half ago. So he knows all of them.
हाँ,
I also know
उसको-
all his crushes and all. तो हम discuss करते हैं.
हम
कौन
crush भी
क्या.
बन जाते हैं.
Oh,
उसके बाद हाँ.
तो हम discuss करते हैं. He's met also. I'm sure.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
so we've
met.
met each. Yeah.
The crush. Okay.
हाँ.
Is it
But this is what you tell me in like 5th and 6th standard and 7th standard.
What rubbish. In grade 11, 12 also I was telling you what happened with who and then why drama and this, that, everything.
Acha,
Yeah.
two
Yeah.
friends like discussing their
Yeah.
love life.
Yeah.
Very cute. You both have seen this industry very closely. You belong to a film family. Compliments to are hai, you know, but there's a whole responsibility of taking this legacy forward from your family members. They've already proved themselves. Are you ready to, welcome all the criticism along with the compliments that will come after the release?
I think इस legacy का हिस्सा होने का एक it's a responsibility. और उसके साथ जो duties आते हैं, and those duties are as simple as बस मेहनत करो, कोशिश करो कि जो whatever you are doing, do with your best and fullest. तो मैं वो ही करने वाली हूँ. लेकिन I think my legacy is something that I will take as a strength, because there's so much I can learn, whether it's from my mom. So there's so much to learn from that. So with that, और फिर मेहनत और कोशिश के साथ I will try my best. लेकिन what happens ahead of that वो तो शिवजी पे है. लेकिन I will try my best.